here it comes. Holy cow. Wow. Storm chasers. Oh yeah. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Lissandra, lock this door. You guys are chickens.
Stay safe.
Lock it.
I'm on.
Lock it. Yeah. It's all right.
Tell me if I need to dodge something. I'm watching cars.
Yeah. Yeah. It's over there. I see it. Holy
Keep
cow.
left to stay on US 131 South.
I think if we can get through here, we'll be good. I haven't seen anything, like, other than...
All the debris that's chucked.
Yeah. Holy crap. Oh, Menards roof just blew off. Oh my gosh. We need to go. Because the storage shed just blew off and everything came out. We just need to go through that light. Oh my.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
The fucking bus just blew away.
The bus?
Bro, if that comes this way, we're dead. No, but that is the tornado right there. That is the tornado right there. Look at that. That is the tornado right there. Look at that. Look at that tornado, dude. Look at it, man. It is just tearing stuff up.
I just came from right there.
I don't think leaving the car is a good idea.
No, that's not a good idea.
There it is!
Holy shit. Oh my god, there goes Menards! We're in the middle of a tornado. Oh my god. My car. I know that sounds crazy. Look at. You can see it. You can see it. It's tearing up what that is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Because it's still here. He's still here. He's still here. He don't go nowhere right away. That was too fast. But something happened over there. I think they're on fire. I just watched their whole roof get torn out. What is that? Is that the bank?
What the freak? Look at the thing like.
Oh my god, you guys need help?
Okay, it's going that way. I thought it was coming towards us. Yeah.
That man's like,
Yeah. Oh, shit, man. I've never seen a tornado, baby.
That's so cool.
Holy cow. Hopefully everybody's okay over there.
Probably.
You can hear, look, listen to that. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, that's... Oh, my God, bro. Holy fuck. I've never seen a tornado before.
it's hard to see. Wow. Oh my god, dude, look at that center. Whoa. Alright, it's coming closer. You can see the backdraft. Look, the backdraft's whipping. It was already over there. It's whipping around.
Yeah.
We should probably go. Holy shit.
Okay, yes, you know.
Holy shit.
Oh, that's so sad, though.
Holy fuck.
Everybody's okay.
Holy shit, man.
Wait, look,
Wow.
that person is looking.
Yeah, the lights are out. Lights are out.
Like a true Michigander, this is... yeah, fuck. I'm at Riverside Apartments on M60. This is M60 right here. It's swirling. I'm fucking stupid for being out here, but I can't help it. It is nasty. It's moving though. I don't know. I hope these people take precaution.
That's just that field. Oh my god, answer the phone. Now is the time she needs to answer the phone. She's not going to answer the phone.
That's debris.
Oh, now it's touching. Get inside.
Yep.
Oh my goodness! Whoa!
It's alright.
Oh!
She better have her ass inside. It's not going by my house. It broke up.
It's going straight down that way.
I'm going home. Hey guys.
What's up?
It's up.
It's rainbow and the tornado at the same time.
Okay, let me fix it. Can you see it?
We're not supposed to be over here. Oh shit, dude, we're in it right now. Harley! Harley! Something's hitting my window! It's a stick, we're fine! Sticks are fine! I'm scared! Shit's flying! Okay, we need to get home. We need to go. Shit is flying! We need to go. We need to go. Park the car! Oh my god! We're in the fucking tornado! We're fine, we're fine, we're fine. Just cover your eyes, cover your eyes! That fucking house is gone! Harley, there! Oh my god!
Tornado's starting to drop out of the sky right here.
Go!
Look at this, Ariel. It's dropping down right here.
It's touching. Mom, it's touching.
It's dropping down right here. Look.
Holy fucking shit, dude.
What the?
Holy fucking shit. Dude, there's literally shit flying in the air.
Oh my god.
That's the
Get
it's right
inside,
there.
Get inside.
It's-
Get inside. Oh my god, go. Oh my god, go.
There's the tornado right there. Here it comes. Oh, this is awesome. Holy crap. You can see the debris. I don't know if you guys can see it on here or not. There's a bunch of debris in the air. So, I think that's people's roofs. Holy smokes. Oh man, this is awesome. Oh, this is sick. Listen to it. There it goes. Oh, babe, look, come here. Look at the church. There goes the transformer, just blew up. Look at that
Holy
debris.
Fuck.
That's a.
Oh my God.
We're good here now.
We're good.
It's moved on by. Here, oh, they're getting hit uptown.
How do I go live?
I don't know. You missed it.
Yep, there's the tornado. Look at it all. Hi, guys.
Debris in there and everything.